Welcome to Gotham Music Schools. Some more drumming exercises for you today. Twice with each hand. Kind of thing, okay? So for my beginner drummers, this is a useful exercise that we're going to be running through today just to kind of practice that a bit. So let's start with the open roll. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Back in. All right. We can use it for loads of different stuff. So now what we're going to do is hit triplets with it. So we're hitting once on the right hand, twice on the left hand. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So our left hand is doing that open roll. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 4 and 1. And then same again. Left hand hitting first now, so we've got 2 hits on the right. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, next thing we're going to do is we can move it around the kit a little bit. So I'm going to move my right hand around, okay? So I'm going to start on the left tom with the right hand, and then the 2 hits on the left are still on the snare. 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and 1. Let's go on to the right tom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Now onto the floor tom. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. So now let's do the same thing, but we're going to start with the left hand. So the left hand's on the snare still. That's going to hit once, and then the right hand is going to hit twice on the toms as it moves around. Okay, so we're going to start on the left tom. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Right, onto the middle tom or the right tom. 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Floor tom. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Okay, great. So you can see how we can just move it around the kit quite easily, and you can imagine at high speeds how that could be used to create quite a cool fill. Next thing we're going to do with it is we've got something called a drag that can be used in drumming quite a bit. And a drag is when we kind of hit before the main note. So this is kind of a similar thing. So we're hitting twice quickly before we hit the main note. And by the main note, I mean on the beat. So say you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now this is a really kind of quick note. So we just want it to rebound quickly, really. Alright, so just focus on getting that right on the beat on your main hit. So to do that again, we're going to use a click. We're doing this. Alright. 1, 2. We're hitting those on the beat. And we're just leaving one click in between as well. So 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. But now we want to get the drag note in on the snare beforehand, so it's going to be same thing. Now we're going to do it on the floor tom with the right hand. I can use my left hand on the crash. Alright, so we're kind of swapping our arms around. 2, 3, 4. So the real focus, like I said, is making sure that we're hitting on the click. That is where our kick and our crash have to fall. So we are just focusing on that and hitting with the quick drag note, the quick double hit before we get to that. Okay, so it's 4 and 1. All right, so wait as long as you can in that fourth beat before you get to the. All right.